Hello all. Today we'll discuss about the Cisco certification. Cisco certification like CCNA, CCNP and CCI. There are three levels of certification. First is associate level of the certification. Second is professional level of the certification. And last is the expert level of the certification. After the Cisco certification, you can apply anywhere job in India as well as the abroad as a network engineer, as a network administrator, as a network expert, and there are some other designation with various companies. So now till Fab, this CCNA routing and switching is going on, that is 200, 125, and after 24th Fab, this version will be eligible for the CCNA, new CCNA, and CCNP has three exam code 300, 101, 115, and 135 route switch and T-shoot, and last will be the CCI, that is the expert level of the certification, higher end of the certification. So this is the small idea about the Cisco career path and certification of all levels. Thank you and all the best for your career.